Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a header to your Google form. So in here, I've already opened a Google form that I created. And to add a header, what you need to do is go to the theme menu at the top right here. This is the customize theme menu. Click on this. Okay, so on the right side will be there will be a panel like this, so you can just scroll down and you'll find the header option. So just click on the choose image button. So here you can select an image from the Google Forms in here, the default images, or you can also upload a header on your own. For example, you have your own company header, you can use that, or if you are going to use this, you can just select the category in here, then choose the header that you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to just use this one, for example. Then just click on insert. Wait. Okay, so now the image has been uploaded and you can see the color of the form is also changed uh, following the color of the header itself. Okay, when you're done, just click on close and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.